Hi there, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how can you fix and solve Telegram bot not working. Now, there isn't a single steps that can actually help you out, or there isn't a single reason why this isn't why the issue has occurred. So you could actually go ahead and try out these steps. Now, first of all, what you could do is to fix a non-functional Telegram bot. You could first of all check if your bot token is correctly entered in your code. Then you could also verify your bot settings on the bot further, ensure your server is running properly, and if necessary you could also restart your bot or check for the API rate limit you may be exceeded. Similarly, the other alternative steps, what you could also do is you could also try cleaning your cache as well as data. I cannot guarantee you that this is going to help you out, but sometimes it might be able to work out as well. So you want to go ahead and locate Telegram application first of all. Then you want to long press onto the app and go to this I button. As you do it, so here what next you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache as well as clear storage, and this is directly going to take you to the settings page. So if you're sure about it, just go ahead and make sure to clear storage, and that should be able to fix it. So now you want to make sure to exit out of this page and head over to your Play Store for an update. Sometimes outdated version can also lead to such issues, so go to your browser, go to the search box and type in Telegram and see whether the app needs to be updated or not. In my case, I happen to update, so click the update button, and after updating it, so go to log in and see whether it fixes or not. If that doesn't seem to be working out, then you could also try reinstalling the Telegram application. At the same time, restarting your device by tapping onto the side button. That should be able to fix the issue. If not, then there is no other way than to contact this customer support. So you could actually go and log into your Telegram application itself in order to contact the support team, or else you could go to the browser and type in Telegram support and press the first link that comes, and then you could go ahead and send a feedback. They will be able to look into your matter. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.